hold it. Good thing we don't let it fold over, right?
Man.
That's why you gotta take your time. Because if we would have hit it hella hard, would have broke the whole thing. I gotta put this back on. Examine it. Make sure we didn't break nothing or bend nothing. It didn't. Hold that bitch real quick. Because it came out. We caught it. We just put a little bit of pressure on it, you feel me?
Yeah, that look bent to me.
Yeah, we gonna know. You would know if we bent it. That bitch be fucked up. Oh, what is this?
What is all this?
I had brought that here when we first moved here. Forgot it in my car. Like a dummy. That stuff for the bathroom. Baby, you know I do not give a damn about a color scheme. Huh? Oh, for real? That's a coinkydink.
Made you get that hyena.
I like hyenas.
What you like about them, cuz?
They, nigga, hyena, the way they hunt, everybody think hyenas just scavengers and steal them from the lions. They do that, but...
You said they do that?
But nigga, like 90% of the time they catch their own food, but the way they catch it, they not the most, like, powerful and all that shit, but the way they catch that shit...
Strategic.
Nah, not even. They
No?
just chase your ass. They chase the wildebeest
you out.
into that motherfucker year till it's ready to die, nigga. Then that bitch easy pickings. So nigga,
you seen them niggas in Africa making them circus animals and shit?
yeah, but they don't really make them motherfucking circus animals like that. Those is like
They be taming them motherfuckers, trying to make them like dogs and shit.
But nigga, them motherfuckers just waiting to kill their ass.
Yeah, oh god, them motherfuckers is hella big. I was like, damn.
Them motherfuckers, I fuck with hyenas too, though. Because nigga, that's just like nigga, you just keep grinding.
You had them tests for a minute. Your shit still look good.
Yeah, hold on, tell you.
Come on, we gonna go, nigga.
Hold on, not yet. I'm trying to see it. Look at Mike again. Alright, go slow. Oh, what's the double check thing?
I see a little gap over here to the right. The back.
Alright, try to knock it in a little bit at a time. Go ahead. You can either or, go ahead. Because we got to get to the point where it's getting close to the rings. It ain't even close to the rings yet. The skirt going in right now. Yeah, try it. Try it. Go ahead.
Check it one more time, because from where I see it's a gap. Fuck it up.
Wow. Alright, good. Go ahead.
Alright.
Here, go. Go. Dang, that shit broke. Oh, no, it didn't. It busted out the what you call it, though.
Cause you scared me, bruh. Don't do that.
Ah, shit. Damn, I gotta clean that.
It's in there though, right?
Yeah, it's in there. This shit.
You scared me, nigga.
I was scared, nigga. I'm just I'm scared, nigga. That shit broke. I thought that was the piston ring. I thought that was the ring when I heard it hit the ground like that.
Me too, nigga.
I was like, oh.
Yeah.
You heard how calm I was though? That shit broke. I was bad, nigga. You trying it. You know how much they charge to do this, bro? Like $9,000.
But
They taxing niggas to do this shit.